Hey everyone, this is Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa, and this is my review video for Jono Armstrong's brand new auto webinar software that's launching tomorrow, Tuesday the 29th of September at 9 a.m. EST on Warrior Plus. Tuesday the 29th of September at 9 a.m. EST on Warrior Plus. As you can see here, I am in the members area. What I'd like to do quickly is take you through the sales page, then we're going to come back to the members area. I'm going to show you what's included, what the app looks like. I'm going to show you my bonus page to show you the amazing bonuses you're going to get by going through my link, and then you'll have the full picture of exactly what this offers. So the product is called Continuum. Plug in this 99% DFY system that's making us $1,400 per day from automated software, DFY offers, and push button traffic. So here's the sales page. Don't try what unsuccessful marketers are doing. Rather copy what the successful guys like Ty Lopez, Frank Kern, Russell Brunson are doing. So Jono has worked with a developer for many months to come up with the system, and what it does, it plays auto webinars. As I said, that is easy to set up. There's a huge savings in cost, and here is the sales page. I'm going to let you go through it at your own pace. I just want to show you one or two things on there. Scale your income to levels never seen possible. Ultimate versatility. You don't even need your own products or webinars. Plug and play simplicity. Beginner and technophobe proof. It's easy to use. Effortless customization. Next level conversions. Multiple free traffic boosters. DFY landing and registration pages. The secret to serious money online in uncertain times. A rock solid foundation, winning off traffic and offers. A proven blueprint for predictive result software that automates conversions. So you can carry on going through the sales page, and it shows you exactly what all of this is about. I'm using EverWebinar at the moment. It's $500 per year. This is $17. It's a huge saving. I'm going to be probably changing across here, and there's a whole lot of bonuses, and that is the sales page. So if we go back to Continuum, when you log in, this is what you'll see. It's a walkthrough of the software showing exactly what the software does and the introduction. That's the introduction. Continuum walkthrough and software access. Here is walkthrough of the software. You click here to get the Continuum app, which I'll come back to in a moment. Then there's setup, getting your affiliate links, setting up your webinar, introduction to AdWords and essential pixels, creating your thank you page, creating your landing page, checking your funnel. So that's all the training of exactly to make sure that your funnel's got no holes and it's working. Then Jono's included traffic training, placement and keywords, scaling and conclusion. So it comes with exactly the training that Jono's using, so you can know how to get traffic to your auto webinars, to set them up properly, and then there's bonuses there. Let me show you quickly the Continuum app. Here's the app itself, and it comes with 3 auto webinars immediately, so you don't need to go around looking for high-paying auto webinars. One of them is Jono. So let's just go to Jono's auto webinar. That's the one that I've been running. And when we go in here, we can edit all of the details. It just takes a moment to load up. Let's just give that 1 minute. So you give a name, event description, event photos, all of the training that shows you that everything that you do here. You can choose the day that you want this webinar to be showing, and it's all of the instructions is how to put in your affiliate link, how to put your video in, and how to get going there. customized layout. So you've got a few different options of the opt-in pages for Continuum and the layout of how you want the webinar to look. Participants, you can choose if you want to have a chat, a private chat only or no chat, and to invite participants, reminder emails. So all of the emails are here already set up for you, so you can remind people to come onto the webinar, and here's extras. And the extras are also explained in the webinar when you want to push for people maybe that didn't buy, or to send them an email to get them back into the process. So the Continuum is, I mean, Jono's really building two businesses at the moment. It's a known fact. It's his affiliate business, and he's also building up MOF, the Ministry of Freedom. Ministry of Freedom is the signature coaching program, and he builds it up all through auto webinars, and that's why he spent this time to build to get up to get our own software, so we don't need to use expensive software. Here's getting your links. So the Ministry of Freedom, John Crestani's Simple Wi-Fi Profits. Those are the three done for you high ticket webinars that you can choose. Setting up your webinar, so you can get a free trial of GetResponse if you don't have that, or an autoresponder. The thank you page, it shows you how to set up your thank you page. And what's also nice is that you can use GrooveFunnels for this. Jono did that launch with Mark Forsain with GrooveFunnels. So all you've got to do is click here and get your code file, and then click here and put your code file in here, and you'll have GrooveFunnels, so you can host your pages on GrooveFunnels. It's fast, and Jono's using GrooveFunnels. He shows exactly how to set up your landing page, which is very important. And then I enjoyed this module, checking your funnel, just to make sure that nothing's leaking. So guys, that's what it's basically about. It's an autoresponder. Sorry, it's an auto webinar software that John has been building for a long time. The app is here, so it shows you exactly how to tie everything together, and you can be off and running. I want to show you now quickly my bonus page, so you don't need to just buy it and get no bonuses. Here's Saul's custom bonus bundle. Plug in this 99% DFY system that's making us $1,400 per day from automated software, DFY offers, and push button traffic. So tomorrow, that's Tuesday the 29th of September at 9 a.m. EST, you can get this for $17. Just click here, I'll click here, and my review video is going to be sitting there. Continuum, what is Continuum all about? Continuum comes loaded with both DFY and DWY, done with you high ticket commission solutions, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced marketers. Users can hit the ground running with 3 pre-made webinars promoting 3 top converting offers that pay $750 per sale. MOF pays $850 per sale if you're a member. Includes a step-by-step traffic training delivered by Jono on the same methods he's using right now, and it's made over $200,000 per month with. On top of all of this, the front end includes a powerful auto webinar software developed by an industry expert with all the bells and whistles without the monthly fees. This allows customers to scale their own pace, virtually unlimited income using any combination of the offers and custom webinars. So the front end of Continuum is $17. Access the powerful Continuum software and training modules. Upsell 1 Continuum Pro stacks the value so you can expect epic conversions here. It includes advanced traffic training from Jono. Pro also unlocks advanced functionality of the webinar, including unlimited attendees, simulated chat assistant support, and full Zapier integration. Pro gives access to Jono's ultimate traffic tactics plus premium webinar software. plus premium webinar software features that you usually pay over $400 for. Upsell 2 is $67. Continuum DFY, where you get an extra 5 pre-made webinars, top converting webinars, perfect for you that if you prefer to do any for people that don't want to do the work themselves but still make the serious profits. The webinar software also gets an upgrade here with a powerful content directory feature that helps get you more user exposure to your own webinars. Upsell 3 is $197. You'll get full front end access to all of Jono's products that he brings out in 2020, that he's brought out in 2020, the lockdown formula, Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript Commission, Bot, Vanquish, plus all the front end access to all of Jono's future releases and a bump of commissions through the funnel when you promote any of Jono's future products. Upsell 4 is multi-license rights to top 4 selling products. That's $197. So his top selling products you can sell as your own, and here's some key features: real automatic traffic on demand, real high ticket commissions, 100% done for you, real done for you sales 24/7, real built-in scaling. Here are my bonuses. The first bonus is Stealth. Stealth is how to do Gmail ads, so to get extra traffic to your webinars. Bonus, and that's valued at $427. Bonus number $246.95. That's Gemini. Get tons of tools by accessing Gemini Pro included license rights. So Gemini shows you how to get even extra traffic. Plus there's a autoresponder there. So if you don't want to spend money on an autoresponder, you can use that autoresponder. Bonus number $344.95. Get Jono's branding hacks. This will help you with your future emails. Jono's a pro at emails, and Jono's branding hacks are great. Eclipse is to get further traffic to your webinars. Also excellent product, value $267. And the last is all of the vendor bonuses, valued $197. So guys, that is Continuum. That has been my Continuum review, and I really hope that you pick it up. I mean, auto webinars are where it's at these days. Jono's definitely one of the top guys in the industry doing it, and for $17 it's really a no-brainer. There's nice Google training in there. You get 3 auto webinars to choose from. You can run one or you can run all. And guys, this has been Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa. So look out for my email tomorrow, Tuesday the 29th at 9 a.m. EST. You can click on any of these links will take you there. All of your bonuses are in your Warrior Plus bonus section. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel already, please will you. So Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa. I wish you all the best. Jono has really put together an amazing software, and I know this is going to help you out huge. We'll speak to you soon. Cheers.